Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have an unboxing with Mac. Sam went ahead and purchased the Stranger Things, which is coming back, which is one of our favorite shows to watch. We are currently binge watching from season one because they took us 3 years. 3 years. These people probably grown with kids that already got kids. Like I wanted to see Elle, Lucas, Will, Mike, all of them, but no. They say no, y'all gotta wait.
But then every other show and movie.
That too. So it finally came just now, so we went ahead and grabbed that's how I showed it this way.
Okay,
We went ahead and grabbed the box outside, Matt. So we're unboxing it with y'all.
Packaging looks cute, y'all.
The moment.
I love that.
I don't know how unboxing.
You think that's a new series name? The Moment?
I have no clue. Like that.
So if you make a purchase with one of the Stranger Things items, they give you this fanny pack thingy. So, I could wear this with my green stripe.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
remember?
can. You can. So
I
it's
got
a
a
nice
little
little
thing
fanny.
outfit, and I think this could go.
At first I was like, I don't know what you're talking about, but then I was like, you can.
Okay, so this is a free gift.
So we bought both the eyeshadow palettes. Well, hold on. So it comes with a little satisfactory card for the MAC lovers out there. I do love MAC. MAC is pretty great. I love their lipsticks, their blushes.
Their
it's
lip
really
liner.
their lip liner. Everything's super pigmented, and it's really great for women of color like us too.
Mm-hmm.
So our favorite, y'all already know, is Chestnut, the lip liner. Y'all know if y'all like it, put it down below. Put a brown heart. You feel me? So we went ahead and purchased both. I put it upside down. Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. So, Sam, you open.
Oh, this is so cool.
Yeah,
it's like
it looked
like the Notebook.
yeah,
type
like
of thing.
sketches.
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's the details, y'all. So this one is the 1986 property of Hawkins Tigers Stranger Things eyeshadow palette, and Sam has the actual Stranger Thing one. So let's go ahead and open it. Ready? 1, 2.
Oh, it comes with like a little pamphlet thing
To
to
cover
cover,
it,
which is
and
real pretty. And this is the color.
look at the colors. This
So
is
pretty.
so cute. I'm actually excited to use these colors.
So pretty.
So we're
It's so
gonna.
Halloweeny.
Yeah, that one is definitely
Yeah.
Stranger Things.
This is like a spring.
This
pastel.
is super spring, summer. That one too is like nighttime,
Yeah.
summer, late summer, going into spring. So far so good. Packaging's not bad. It did get smudged, but y'all, it's in a box. So what else can you do?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go back and place these inserts back in. I love the fact that it looks like a journal, and this looks just like the cover for Stranger Things. So I'm gonna place that on the side.
And then we also purchased both blushes. So the blush option was like this nice pink, and the packaging is the same, where the inside is like a notebook, entry, diary type of thing. This is the Stranger Things blush, and this color is, oh, this is a nice little red, you know.
Ooh, we got Friends. Friends don't lie.
And he likes it cold.
Like these are the perfect colors for y'all.
They're
I'm
so
really excited, and I
cute.
like the fact that it looks like a little book.
Yeah.
Like a little book you open.
I'm
it.
trying to make this one stay on it. Hold on.
Oh, I'm pressing
Okay.
it like this. But look, it looks like
So
a
this is
perfect
how
little
this
book.
one looks.
So these are the blushes. You know, place that on the side. So we can put that in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm like, okay.
Okay, we also got this was already open, but
Oh yeah, that's probably.
yeah. So this is the lip gloss that it comes with. So this one is the 1986 Tigers. Color is Erie L.
And this one is Wild Wheeler.
These are nice.
So we're gonna go ahead and swatch it on our arm so you can see it on both complexions. This is a pink, a hot pink,
Ooh,
and a
so
perfect nude.
pigmented. then
We got 2 more.
we didn't get the green one or the black one because it didn't make sense, y'all.
Right. So this one is the Rockin' Robin.
And this one is the Excellent
Excellent Erica. Ooh. Swatched again.
So
This is the color.
and then I also got some of the brushes without her knowing. So these are the brushes that come with it.
Hold on. I was really eyeing them too. I really like Stranger Things. It's bad. Like, I would binge watch the show. I almost got so sad I almost threw their clothes away because they took too long.
It's like a pencil.
Yeah, and this one's the all over powder brush, and this is a eyeshadow brush. Yes. Bruh, I'm doing a video right now, bruh.
So it looks like this.
My mama annoying. This one is taped in. Hold on. The heat of Miami got to it. But this is the perfect powder brush. I can't even push this down
Okay,
without the plastic.
okay.
Hold on.
So this is the brush.
Yeah. Oh, there's tape. I forgot. But this is the blush brush. Perfect thin brush. And you can go ahead and apply the powder.
Yeah, this is for your eyes.
So
I don't do eyeshadow, but I'll try.
So stay tuned, you guys. This whole month we'll be coming out with different looks with the Stranger Things from Matt collaboration. I can't wait to see the new Stranger Things. It comes out on May 27th, and no, this is not no dang ad.
No, it's not. We just love Stranger
I love Stranger Things. So thank you so much for watching.
Have a great day, and don't forget, is it peace?
Yeah, so peace. Wait,
No.
no. Peace to
you. We're gonna get this right one day, y'all.
Alright, Sam, let's clean up now. Thank you.
It's the disrespect. Like, this is what I'm saying. I don't get paid enough for this. Like, I'm the one that got it.